this is my first video. So recently I was thinking about starting my own channel. So I thought let me just create a channel like where I will share my like every day what I'm doing, or like whatever I'm learning and how I'm doing these things. So let's get started. So before starting this video, let me just give you a brief like what we are trying to do here. Okay, so what is our goal here? So basically, if you see here, so here I have a blackboard, so which is outdoor on my terrace. Okay, so what I am trying to do, I am trying to create another plug board uh, in that side, in that corner of my terrace. Okay, the reason is basically I have lots of plants in my like terrace garden, and as you can see here also I have a small greenhouse there. Okay, so inside it I have fogger system controlled by humidity control fogger system, and this type of technologies are there which I'll show you in later videos. But the reason I want to have a board, a plaque board similar to that side is that right now I'm using this 4 mm irrigation pipe to water my plant at that side. So right now I have a small 12 volt 5 ampere DC pump which I keep it that side. Okay, and from there I use this feeder line to water my pump, water my so what happens due to this long distance of this feeder 4 mm feeder line, what happens that like the pressure get dropped. Okay, so I'll share with you like why the pressure actually drops during this because of this long pipe. Okay, so that is the reason, and another reason is that I want to like previously I had hired one person to water my plants and take care of my plants, but it is very difficult to find some like in today today it is very difficult to find people, and no one wants to like work hard. Okay, so everyone wants to do soft work, and that because of that reason like people actually very often they leave the job after couple of months. Okay, that's why and I also found that like to water all of these plants it takes around an hour to water all of my garden plants, and also inside my power system here in the greenhouse it takes more than an hour. Okay, so my goal is to have a board that side, a plaque board, and from there I'll create a automated system. Okay, so from there I'll control via my mobile or something, or based on the temperature and humidity of the outside. Okay, and I will basically my goal is to automate. Okay, and if I only use that flag at that side, so I have to use a lot of wire, and and it will be messy. Okay, so that is why like I want to have a board, blackboard that side. This blackboard I already bought this electric counseling pipe. This thing cost me around 35 rupees. I bought this from our local electric shop, and as of now actually I have completed this much. If you see here, here. Okay, so I'm able to create connection from there. Okay, and this much is completed. so this much is completed, the line is completed, and after that I'll use the remaining pipes to like connect my wire from that side to that side. Okay, so let's start building. So one point here, so I like to have a 10 ampere load at that side too. Okay, so I bought this 1.5 bought it from Amazon. No, I bought it from Flipkart. It cost me around in 1300. So using this wire I'm able to get 10 amperes. I'm able to connect at least a 10 ampere worth of load at that side. So that is why I bought this 1.5 wire.